Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are having a beautiful day and hope you all are enjoying the readings, resonating with the readings and liking the readings. So today I am back with a very different set of cards. So let's see what two cards have come out. So I'll open both the cards. Miracles. That's a beautiful card. Miracles and Journey by the Moonlight. So maybe today you should go out somewhere in the evening with your loved ones and you should believe that magic is on the way, because if you see, both the cards are miracle and believe in magic. So something really good and a day of miracle, day of happiness and day of magic is ahead of you today. So because it is miracles, expect the unexpected. Allow the divine to give you everything. Don't worry, but don't have that fear, don't have that hesitation. Will I get, am I lucky enough to get? Will things happen in my favor? It will happen if you have the faith in it. It will happen if you believe in it, or else it will not come. And coming Journey by the Moonlight, as I said, just go with your inner feel and spend your day out with your loved ones today in the evening. Maybe you should go for a beach walk, or maybe you should just go for a drive, or with your loved ones you can even have a moonlight dinner if you really can plan for it, because somewhere it says under the moon today things will start manifesting for you more sooner and more in a better way. Because can you see here the card? There's a fairy looking down at you and waiting to bless you. So I just hope you have a beautiful day. Today I'm also going to pick a card of abundance. So let's see what is the day of abundance right now. So the moment is here. Stay in the present. I would just say, look at him. He is blessing you. Today wear the color yellow, because somewhere when I saw this card, the first thing came to me was the color yellow. So wear the color yellow today, and if possible today sit for meditation for 10-15 minutes where you will not be disturbed, and just chant Om inside your mind to calm your mind and to calm your energies. And I'm sure the blessings which will come will make it more and more powerful and more happier. Also, if possible today, buy some whole wheat and donate to some needy person. Even if it is your maid or the person who works for you, donate at least 5 kgs of whole wheat to them, or the wheat flour to them, intending that the way you're blessing someone's life with abundance and food, the abundance is going to come back to you and your loved ones 10 times more than what you're giving. Have a beautiful and a miraculous day today. Thank you.